Hello everyone. Today in this video we will continue from the last video. Now we study natural growth of population. Difference between the births and deaths at a place during a specific period. It means natural means which is not controlled by human spontaneously. Births and deaths are considered as natural growth components. So thus natural growth equal to births minus deaths. Then actual growth of population. In this actual growth of population, one component is included, that is concept of migration. Migration is a component which spontaneously, or we can say instantly, change the population of an area. Actual growth of population is births minus deaths plus in-migration minus out-migration. In-migration means when people come to an area, for that area it will be called as in-migration. Out-migration will be when people leave one area is called out-migration for that area. Then positive growth and negative growth. We also discussed in the previous video. Positive growth means when birth is more than death and in-migration is more. Basically it is increase in population. So when will be the population increase? When birth rate will be more than death rates and in-migration is more, then it will be positive growth. And vice versa, negative growth. Death rate will be more and people will leave the place, that is the out-migration will be more. Then we come to components of population change. Now there are three components of population change: births, deaths and migration. Crude birth rate. It is the number of live births in a year per thousands of population. The formula will be CBR, crude birth rate, equal to birth, live, that is live birth, in a specific period of time, into 1000 divided by mid-year population. Live birth means the babies which are born lively. It means mortality will not be there. Infant mortality. This is mid-year population. CBR equal to, this is formula BI over P into 1000. This will be taken as 1000 because the number is very small. So in 1000 it will be a round figure. If we take the 100, it may be in points. Then similarly, crude death rate. It is the number of deaths divided by mid-year population into 1000. CDR equal to D over P into 1000. Mid-year population is the population at the middle of the year, just like an average population of an year. Now migration. Migration is movement from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently or temporarily. When people move from one place to another place with the aim for settling there, maybe permanently, maybe temporarily, maybe seasonally, so this is called migration. The place people move from is called as place of origin, and the place people move towards is called place of destination. So simply we can understand this. Place of origin will be showing the decrease in population because people will leave the place of origin and the people will go to the place of destination. So that will be called as the place of destination. Witness an increase in the population. Now types of migration. This is very simple thing on the basis of duration. For how much time you are at a different place. Permanent, temporarily, seasonal or commuting. Permanent means when you leave certain place permanently. You are not coming back to the place of origin. It is called permanent migration. Second is temporarily. You are going for some purpose and then after completing your purpose you are coming back. So this is called temporarily duration of migration. Third one is seasonal. Seasonal means This is generally happen in the employment. People move from season to season, just like in villages. In villages, what happen? In certain season, the crops are being harvested. So generally people don't move to other place in this season. People move to other place when they have no work in village. So this is called seasonal migration. Commuting means we have seen in urban areas as well as rural areas, people go for urban areas for their work. They go in the morning and come back in the evening. So this is called commuting. It means daily migration, daily going to the employment or some other place and coming back in the evening. This is called commuting. On the basis of place of origin and destination. Rural to rural, B. Rural to urban, C. Urban to urban, and urban to rural. Rural to rural is like when a family increases, then some member leave the village and live in the other village. There may be many examples for that. Rural to urban is the most general and most common type of migration. People move for urban place for many purpose: employment, education, health, better standard of living, etc. Urban to urban, this is a specialized kind of migration. When already developed people, they want to go for a more developed city. This is called urban to urban. It may be for employment, better education, better health, etc. Urban to rural. This is a kind of modern concept, urban to rural. This happens when urban lifestyle or urban problem will lead to the migrate towards rural areas. Just like pollution and crime rates. So people move to the rural areas for peace. This also happens in the terms of old age migration. People after retirement, they want to live in rural areas. Now, push and pull factor of migration. Push factors, pull factors. Push factor means the factors which push the people, which compel the people to leave any area. First one is unemployment. If unemployment is in the place, people want to leave that area. Poor living conditions, political turmoil, unpleasant climate, natural disasters, and social backwardness. These all are the factors people want to move away from. Now, what things attract people towards the place of destination is called the pull factors. Pull factor means to pull. These factors attract people towards their place of destination. Better job opportunities, better standard of living, peace and stability, favorable climate, security and life, and modern society. So we can link these two factors. Like the place of origin has less opportunity of employment. So people go for urban areas or any other place for job opportunities. Then poor living conditions, then it lead to standard of living, better standard of living. Political turmoil will peace and stability, and so on. So this is the push and pull factors. So in this video, that's it. For next video, we will uploading soon. Thank you.